let me show you my new arc, metal arc. We're going to use this for well, events that we will that we have in our garden. You can use this for a wedding, for a birthday party, for an event, for whatever you think you can put a sign. As you can see, it's really easy to assemble. You just have to put one. Okay, I'm going to do it in the floor. It is a high arch, supposed to be for people to go under it. Okay, so it has to be a large one. Let me show you. As you can see, it's high enough for a regular person to go under it. And this is nice because you can put any decoration on it. For a wedding, some flowers, lights, signs, paper, accessories, whatever you want to put. And it will give a nice entrance for any kind of event in your patio, in your garden, in a closed room like this one. So let's try it.
Hi friends, here we are taking this new wedding arch out of the box. As you can see, it comes with this manual that specifies how many parts it has. And as we can see, it's one bent tube, two number 2s straight tubes, another 2 straight tubes but with number 3, and 2 bases. As you can see, this manual tells us how to do this arc, and it's very easy. So let's get to do it. So we're gonna take the number 3 tubes, like this one right here, and put them on the bases. So we take the tube and stick him like this. We press this little button so it stays secured. And now, after that, we're gonna take the number 2 tubes, like this one, and put them above them. So let's go. It's very simple, as same as the number 3 tubes. You just put them and press a little knob right here, and it's ready. Now we're gonna put this bent tube up above them, so it's finished. Okay, so the bent tube is a little bit different than the other 2 kinds of tube because it just has entrances. So you press this button from the number 2 tubes and it enters like that. But we're gonna make sure that both of them are ready. So we press also this one, and it's done. This is how it looks all set up. As you can see, it's quite tall. It's taller than me. You can use it like any event, like weddings, birthdays, and stuff like that. It's very easy to use. It's very manageable, and it's very easy to take it out like that. So I recommend it. Hope you like this.